Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at proportion. So under proportion, we have two types. Direct proportion, where if one variable increases, the other variable increases. Let's say we have got one apple that is costing $1. If we have got more apples, they're going to cost more money. So we are saying as the number of apples increases, the cost also increases. But we also have what we call indirect proportion, where if one variable increases, the other one decreases. Let's say if we are considering speed, if we move at a lower speed, we're going to take longer time. But if we move at a faster speed, we're going to take less time. So as one variable increases, the other variable decreases. So here we're just going to look at a couple of examples. We have number one, which says if 8 cases of merchandise cost $60, what would a dozen cases cost? So here we are saying 8 costs 60. What about 12? So 12 obviously are going to cost more, which means if you're going to consider this as a fraction, we would put 12 on top because we know that 12 is going to cost more, and then we multiply by 60. We say 4 into 12, that's 3. 4 into 8, that's 2. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 60. 2 into 60, that's 30. 30 times 3, you get 90. So which means $90 would be the cost for 12 cases. Number 2 says Benito saves $6 out of every $20 he earns. He earned $90 1 month. How much did he save? So we are saying out of every $20, he saves $6. So obviously in $90, there is a lot more $20. We have more $20 in 90. So which means he's going to save more. I just need to correct here. I wrote 60, it's supposed to be 6. So here we're saying 90 goes on top because we want to find out how many 20s do we get out of 90, and then we multiply this by 6. So we say 10 into this, 10 into this, and here you say 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 6, that's 3, 9 times 3, that's 27, which means out of $90, Benito saves $27. Number 3 says a man who is 6 feet tall casts a shadow that is 11 feet long. So this man is 6 feet and his shadow is 11 feet. At the same time, a tree casts a shadow that is 33 feet long. What is the height of the tree? So obviously, if you look at these examples that we are looking at, they represent direct proportion because as the variable increase, the other variable, as one variable increases, the other one also increases. So here we are saying it's supposed to be more. So here we are saying 33 over 11 times 6. So you say 11 into 11, 1. 11 into 33, that's 3. 3 times 6, that's 18. So we are saying the tree is 18 feet long. Let's look at number 4 as our last example. Mr. Savage used 3 gallons of paint to cover 1,350 square feet of wall. So we're saying 3 gallons. 3 gallons covers 1,350 square feet. At this rate, how much paint will be needed to cover 1,800 square feet? So obviously, because the area that we are being asked now is much bigger than the first one, which means it's also going to use more gallons, and 1,800 is going to be on top, and we put 1,350 at the bottom, and we multiply it by 3. So we say 10 into this, that's 135. 10 into this, that's 180. So now, what other factor can we use? We can use 5. 5 into 13, that's 2. Remainder 3. 5 into 35, that's 7. So here we say 5 into 18, that's 3. Remainder 3. And 5 into 30, that's 6. So here we can say 3 into 3, 1, and 3 into 27, we get 9. And we say 9 into 36. Let's write it here. 9 into 36. And here we get your answer is 4 gallons. So I just want you to go through these examples. And if you have any questions, just send them through and I will help you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.